kids, you will most likely prefer the harder and more challenging type of wand. And this one does require adult supervision, so does the last one, but you might need the adult that will go around to help you make your wand, because in some steps you will be needing a hot glue gun. What you're going to start with is get your pink or blue pipe cleaner, and then what you're going to do is you're going to get your pink beads and you'll start to bead it on, and don't use too many big beads because that will make it heavier and then it will not hold even with the hot glue. So keep beading until you have one small circle about this size. Form your circle, and then what you're going to do is tie it once. Now, with adult supervision, they will glue your pipe cleaner to your popsicle stick.